So this is our robot car project. So this is the robot. Let's see here. Okay. So this is a website to control the robot car. So you can see here the robot car server is now off. So I will run the server. This is the code for the server. Okay, the server is now running. So you can see here the form is appeared. So I will log in. Okay, here's the control page. You can see. So if the car key is locked, you cannot do anything. Okay. So here you can see we use the VR remote press to unlock the car. Here is the VR remote. So I will press 2. Okay, you can see the car key is unlocked. And without start the engine, you cannot do anything. So I will start the engine. Okay, the engine has stopped. So for now, you can control the car. So I will click the button forward. Okay, the car is on forward. Very nice. So I will stop and turn left. Okay, very nice. So forward. So stop. Here is the gear. So if you want to go reverse, you have to switch the gear to the R. So switch. Okay. So now you can run reverse. Okay, the car is running reverse. So I will stop and switch back to D. Okay. So this is a distance forward warning. So now there is something in front of the car at around 60 centimeters. So when the car is running, if I push my hand into the front of the car, so you can see the distance forward, it recognizes something in front of the car at around 7 to 8 centimeters. So when I move my hand, the car will continue to run forward. Very fun. But when you run in the round, you have to go reverse, okay, to continue moving. So what is this forward? So when I remove the paper, okay, it recognizes the forward the car has abyss, so then the car will stop. Now I can try for you. Go forward, and I remove the paper. Okay, the car is automatically stopped. So that's why I have the line here, the actual car direction. If you click forward but some collision warning, so the car will stop and display here so you can see. So I turn back. So stop. So next, what is the auto car light? So you see the light here. So when I put my hands on here, oh, the car will turn on the light and also in the control page. Basically, when you go into at night, it has no light. When you turn off the light, the car will also turn on the light. When you travel at night, the car will automatically turn on the light. So next, I want to introduce to you about the voice mode. Voice. Yeah, I will click to recognize my voice. Okay. Go forward. Yeah, the car will running forward. Turn right. Okay. The car will turn right. Okay. Hey, stop. Then the car will stop. Go forward. Hey, stop. Okay, the car will stop. So next, I want to introduce to you the most interesting part. So I will put my camera here. Okay, okay, here you can see uh, the virtual view. So I will, when I open my hands, the car will stop. So when I close my hand, the car will run forward. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Hope you can see it. So when I move my hand to the left, in the control page, you will see it to the right because the camera is reversed from the reality. So the left, okay, the car will turn left. So next, go forward, stop. Okay, the car will stop. Forward, stop. So when you run but you remove one hand, the car will automatically stop. Remove, yeah, the car will stop. Okay. So next, yeah, when you can see when someone in the control page, the other cannot log into. Yeah, someone currently in the control page, you can only view. So log into view. Yeah, everything is the same to here. What update in the here? I will put my hands on. Okay, the light is on. So here's the lights on also. Yeah. You can have multiple view pages, but only one control page at a time. So that is everything about our car project. Hope you like it. Bye bye.